Humanity is one with itself, everyone is family, and the true nature of everyone is love. May 24, 2016. As Jesus has told you, humanity's awakening is imminent. I know you feel that you have heard this said many, many times, and yet it seems that nothing has occurred to confirm that humanity's awakening is ongoing, let alone imminent. But, because you have listened to our messages to you from the spiritual realms telling you that your awakening is imminent, you have, as a result of listening to us, strengthened your collective intent to bring it about. And, as you have also been told many, many times, the power of your individual intent, without mentioning the amazing power of your collective intent, is enormous and extremely effective. You are awakening humanity. Yes, each one of you holding the intent is making it happen. As so many channels have told you already, it is your intent that is making it happen. We, of course, support you in every moment, but you make it happen. You all made the courageous choice to incarnate during these end times to assist in this momentous event and ensure that it happened. And it will. You are the collective. You do not have even a slight awareness of the vast numbers of you who chose to incarnate at this enormously important moment in the illusory dream of separation that God's Son chose to build and experience so many eons ago. As you well know, in truth it was but a moment ago that you chose to play the game of separation, but you used your immense power and imagination to construct an environment that would appear very real to those who engaged with it by incarnating as humans. And thus it appears, bringing intense suffering to many, but with the constant hope being maintained that things would improve, that life would become easier, less stressful, and that eventually peace would arise and that all on earth, without exception, would be provided for abundantly. Well, that moment draws nigh because your collective intent has, particularly over the last 5 or 6 decades, been coming more and more into alignment. Previously, for eons as you measure time on earth, you bought wholeheartedly into the belief that you were each separate beings, separate from God whom you imagined as an infinitely powerful being watching over your every thought, word, and action, and judging you harshly whenever you failed to live up to the standards that you imagined He demanded of you. But, God is love. He never judges, because love is unconditionally accepting of every member of God's divine family, because that is the nature of love. And every conscious entity, without exception, is a beloved member of that divine family. Separation is not only illusory, it is impossible, because all that God creates is eternally one with Him. And there is nothing apart from what God creates, because God is. God is all that exists. Humanity has spent eons at war with itself, causing itself intense pain and suffering, as it has attempted to establish a safe haven within your illusory environment, where it can live in peace with those it judges to be its friends and family. Humanity is one with itself, everyone is family, and the true nature of everyone is love. You have been told this many, many times, and yet you choose separation by judging most others as unacceptable or enemies because of their supposed differences from you. You see all those weird people out there who are obviously unacceptable to the God that you worship, and who you therefore believe must be at least avoided and kept away from your loved ones, or, better still, labeled as terrorists and destroyed. Those you judge and wish to destroy are other members of God's one divine family. And, of course, many of them view you through the same massively distorted lens that is your sense of perception. This game that you have been playing has become unconscionable, because it has reached the stage where those who still wish to play it, have only one motive, namely to destroy all whom they judge to be evil. And of course the word evil really only means different. And separation is a state in which you see everyone except yourself as different. You have a saying, keep your friends close, and your enemies closer. The reason being that you can trust no one. And this attitude is the absolute insanity with which the illusion presents you, because it has succeeded in convincing you that you are separate from one another. And, of course, you are not. What you share, give, project, impose, or in any way do to another, you do to yourselves. When you are in a loving relationship with anyone, intimate partner, family member, close friend, you see all that is admirable about yourselves reflected back to you as you look into their eyes and find acceptance and love there. When you are in a relationship of conflict, you see all that you despise and that disgusts you about yourselves, but which is denied and very deeply buried, reflected back to you. But, you are all perfect divine beings. What you experience in the illusory state of being human is duality, opposites, confusion, and chaos. It makes no sense. Why? Because it is unreal. You constructed a game, and as you know, a game is played by opposing teams or opposing individuals. You chose to play this game, and then forgot that it was a game, and used all your human intelligence to outwit and destroy those whom you decided were your opponents, your enemies. How, as the beloved children of God, eternally one with Him and with each other, can you possibly have enemies? Surely there are very few of you who do not see that as insanity. Therefore, go within daily, connect with the love that resides there, open your hearts fully, and allow and accept what it offers you in every moment of your eternal existence. When you do that, wholeheartedly, without any reservations, peace will fill your hearts, and love will embrace you. When you allow that to happen, your whole perception of life, of love, of people, will change completely. You will see only love in others, Christ consciousness, your true and eternal nature shining forth and reflected back to you. Going within daily, as more and more of you are doing, and accepting the unconditional love that is offered to you constantly, is changing the world. As you surf the web, and seek out the alternate news sites that report on the wonderful events that are occurring as a result of people engaging with and operating from their true nature, you will see that the changes for which you have all been hoping and praying are happening. Major essential changes are happening right now all across the planet. You are living in the time of humanity's awakening, the time for which you have been praying and hoping for eons, and it is now. With so very much love, Saul. Channeled by John Smallman. johnsmallman.wordpress.com